Looking to earn with cutting-edge AI? Here's how to make money with Manus AI in 2025. Step 1. Know what Manus AI does. It's designed for long-form writing, like books, blogs, scripts, and marketing copy powered by top-tier AI models. Step 2. Offer writing services. Use Manus to draft ebooks, sales pages, or white papers, then polish and deliver them to clients on Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn. Step 3. Become a ghostwriter. Help influencers or business owners publish faster by co-creating content with Manus, then charging premium ghostwriting rates. Step 4. Build a content brand. Use Manus to create daily blog posts, email newsletters, or even YouTube scripts, and monetize through ads, affiliates, or paid subscriptions. Step 5. Teach the tool. Master Manus and offer AI writing coaching or build prompt templates for sale to other writers and marketers. And remember, Manus doesn't replace writers, it supercharges them. Start writing smarter and earning faster with Manus AI today.